Welcome. Today, we will learn about a product. That product is Solarmax. Solarmax 30 GM SPF 50 SC quality. In dermatology is a sunscreen sebum control gel. Solarmax gel is a sun protectant sunscreen that protects you from the harsh ultraviolet UV rays of the sun. It effectively controls sebum, protects from premature wrinkles and signs of aging, and is ideal for oily, combination, and acne-prone skin. Package contains. Each box of Solarmax contains a sunscreen bottle of 30 gm. Ingredients, composition, butyl methoxy dibenzoyl methane, cyclopentasiloxane dimethicone. Cross-polymer, C1215. Alkyl benzoate octocrylene, dimethicone, caprylic triglyceride, 14/14. Dimethicone. Preservatives. Recommended use. Apply liberally over the entire face, neck, and other areas that are exposed to sun at least 20 to 30 minutes before sun exposure. To remain protected. Reapply after oversweating, swimming, or toweling. Benefits. Uses. Solarmax SC Sunscreen Sebum. Control Gel SPF 50. It is especially for oily, combination skin with non-greasy formulation. Long-term use can improve the skin texture and quality. It contains a unique micropore structure, cyclopentasiloxane dimethicone cross-polymer, to reduce sebum and oily skin conditions. It provides the highest protection against UVA and UVB rays, thus protects against photosensitivity, skin darkening, pigmentation, premature skin aging, and wrinkles. Solarmax SC is a hypoallergenic formulation suitable for sensitive skin. Its ingredient, butyl methoxy dibenzoyl methane, also known as avobenzone, is a synthetic sunscreen ingredient used to protect against UVA rays. Its other ingredient, cyclopentasiloxane dimethicone cross-polymer, is a silicone-based polymer that provides various benefits like a smooth, silky feel, a matte finish, and the ability to improve product spreadability and longevity. It's also known for its water resistance and ability to help stabilize emulsions. The alkyl benzoates, like C1215 alkyl benzoate, act as emollients, meaning they soften and smooth the skin. They can also act as solvents, making them useful in a variety of products. Octocrylene is a UV filter, primarily absorbing UVB and short UVA radiation, protecting the skin from sun damage. The dimethicone ingredient is a silicone-based polymer that forms a protective barrier on the skin, reducing moisture loss and providing some protection from irritants. It is often used in moisturizers and creams. The caprylic triglyceride ingredient is derived from coconut oil and is a popular emollient and skin conditioning agent. It moisturizes and softens the skin, and can also act as a preservative. Side effects. Do not take this product if you are allergic to any of its ingredients. It is generally considered a safe product. It can cause some side effects in certain individuals, including skin irritation, rash, peeling skin, and allergic reaction. Precautions. Warnings. If irritation occurs, stop use. Avoid contact with the eyes and mucous membrane. Keep out of reach of children. Instructions. For external use only. Store between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. No refrigeration. Manufacturer and buy online. Solarmax is manufactured by Nigehban, a product of Maxitech. It is available online, or you can purchase it from any nearby pharmacy. It is available at the retail price around 1350 rupees. Thanks for watching. Check our website, medsarchive.com, and take your medicines as your doctor or pharmacist prescribes them.